So here we are provided with two sets A and B. We need to find out the Cartesian product of A and B as well as B and A. Okay, let us begin. So here we have two sets. So let's note down the two sets. We have the first set A. Set A has got 4 elements. The elements being 1, 3, 5 and 6. And we have the other set B. B has got 2 elements. Those are 2 and 4. We'll first begin by computing the Cartesian product of A and B. So the Cartesian product of A and B, so let's note down the two sets again. So for set A, we have the set containing the elements 1, 3, 5 and 6. We're going to take its Cartesian product with the set B containing the elements 2, 4. Now all we have to do is we'll consider the first component of the first set, which is A, and we're going to form an ordered pair with each of the 2 elements of the second set B. So that's going to give us 1, 2, and the other element is going to be 1, 4. Next, we'll consider the second element of set A and form an ordered pair with each of the 2 elements of set B. We have 3, 2, that will be one ordered pair, and the other is going to be 3, 4. Next, we will consider the third element of the set A and form an ordered pair with each of the 2 elements of set B. That's going to give us 5, 2, 5, 4. Fine. And then finally, we have the fourth element of set A that's going to be forming an ordered pair with each of the 2 elements of B. So we have 6, 2 and 6, 4. Fine. So this is the Cartesian product of A and B. Next, we're going to find out the Cartesian product of B and A. So this time we're going to consider the set B first, which has the elements 2, 4, and form a Cartesian product with set A containing the elements 1, 3, 5, 6. Now this time what we'll do, we'll start with the first element of set B. Set B, that is 2, and we're going to form an ordered pair with each of the 4 elements of set A. So we're going to get 2, 1. Next we have 2, 3. Next we have 2, 5, followed by 2, 6. Next, we will pick up the second element of set B, which is 4, and form an ordered pair with each of the 4 elements of set A. We're going to get 4, 1, then we have 4, 3. Next we have 4, 5, and next we have 4, 6. Fine. So this is going to be the Cartesian product of set B with A, and we have successfully obtained both of the 2 Cartesian product. And here we can notice that the set A, the Cartesian product of A and B, that's not equals to the Cartesian product of B and A. In other words, this also means that the Cartesian product is not commutative.